Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to be safe on Craigslist. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to craigslist.org to go and have the website in front of you. Then guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account. But guys, if you do not have an account, you can always go and register to Craigslist. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Craigslist videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Craigslist official website where we have a lot of different options. So first of all, we have the things which you can go and see. You have the community, housing, jobs, we have the service, for sale, discussion forums, we have gigs and resumes here. Also, on the left side, we can see that we have the event calendar, we have some help about Craigslist, best of Craigslist, etc., etc. And also on the top right corner, we have the post button where you can go and post something that you want to post, something that you want to post on Craigslist. And also we have the account where you can go and see everything about your account. So your postings, drafts, your searches, and your settings. And here you have your new posting in. You can put the country where you want to do that. And here you can go and change the language on the right side also. Now guys, let's see how you can actually be safe on Craigslist. Well, I have some tips here for you. Always use a proxy email address or phone number. Plan details in advance. Meet in public and bring a friend. Stay safe when a buyer comes to your house. Use a secure form of payment. Trust your instincts when vetting buyers. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.